could pass over one hopper, then be shunted out of the way until all the cars were unloaded. Then the empties were hauled back to the Addy mine, which lies ahead. The railroad from Hill City to Keystone served in excess of 60 mining claims, either along the route or in the Keystone area. Some were placer and some were hard rock. A few of the mines in the area were the Bob Ingersoll, Etta, Edison, Tycoon, Big Thunder, Holy Terror, Nathaniel Pope, and Tom Custer. Settlers was originally a logging camp that served mining operations throughout Palmer Gulch. The spur you see leading off to your right was an elaborate system built in the 1950s to handle both narrow and standard gauge trains. The Oblivion area was later used as one of the sets for the movie The Orphan Train. Locomotive Works in 1926 for the Silver Falls Timber Company in Oregon and the Peninsula Terminal Railroads in Portland, Oregon.
Fine, either direction. They have leading trucks on both ends of their drive wheels.
Miles south of here in 1874. Within months, there were thousands of miners, mule skinners, madams, gunslingers, and gamblers swarming across the landscape, eager to get their hands on some of the shiny yellow metal. The community of Keystone, like many towns in the Black Hills, was originally founded to serve these ambitious prospectors. Keystone lies very near the geographical center of the Black Hills. The Black Hills regions cover over 2 million acres, an area roughly the size of Delaware. Half of that is the Black Hills National Forest, the first national forest in the United States. Keystone wasn't founded until the turn of the century. Today, Keystone is filled with hotels, restaurants, museums, and gift shops that entice travelers on their way to Mount Rushmore National Memorial, located just a few miles away. As we leave Keystone and enter the Black Hills National Forest, note the markers that line the tracks along our journey. The black and white markers are milepost signs, and the red and black markers indicate a point of interest. Be on the lookout for these signs as we travel toward Hill City. The history of the 1880 train guides to the history, equipment, and operations. $3 from an attendant.
trained with the All Aboard the 1880 Train Guide programs. We're working this week on the train backwards. If you're interested, just stop it. Books are $3 a piece. It's 36 pages of information about the railway line, the equipment we operate, why we operate, why we're still here in the Black Hills even after all the other railroads are gone. So if you are interested in that information, just grab Jeff.
You should. I swear. Solid plan.
On your right is a large weathered building. It was known as the Good Luck Tungsten Mine and flourished during both World Wars. Tungsten was used to harden steel.